Hi, Dr. Sandeep. Could you please explain about skin sparing mastectomy?
It's a very interesting question. The traditional choice for breast cancer was to perform modified radical mastectomy. Now, the things have changed, and there are still some patients where mastectomy is indicated, though many patients can go for breast conservation surgery. But for those patients where mastectomy is required or unavoidable, we opt for a newer technique, what is called as skin sparing mastectomy, or sometimes nipple areola sparing mastectomy. Why is it so? The reason for this is the texture of breast skin is completely different from that of rest of the body. So when the reconstruction is performed separately later on, if you use the tissue from some other part of the body, the problem is the appearance will not be normal. So the newer technique of doing the nipple areola sparing or the skin sparing mastectomy avoids us from using new skin, and we can give almost the normal appearance of the breast by using the tissues from some other part of the body. So this can be done in many ways, because we remove the entire breast tissue from under the skin. So the risk of the recurrence of breast cancer will be as good as mastectomy. There is no difference between the two at all. But the advantage is the reconstruction comes almost perfect. So there is hardly any change in the appearance when the reconstruction happens well. So when are the situations where we cannot do this? There are a few situations. The first situation is when the patient does not opt for an immediate reconstruction, because we cannot make the skin, or we cannot save the skin and leave it there, because the skin shrinks and it will be very difficult to save the skin afterwards. So that is a big no. Second is when the tumor is lying very close to the skin or the nipple areola, wherein it becomes very difficult to save that area. So these would be the only two reasons why we have to do mastectomy or lose the skin over the breast. In all other situations, it is possible for us to save it and give a fairly normal reconstruction of breast.